Hey guys, I just want to really quickly go over how to present a monthly financial report. We had talked about this earlier in the year, how we're doing separate reports and we're sending an income statement and a balance sheet and an accounts payable, and how we could put that all into one report. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. I'm in the sample company right now, so we're going to go to reports and we're going to go over here to management reports, and you're going to see there's a company overview. So what I want to do is I want to edit the company overview. So what we can do here is we can change things how we want. So we can change the name of it to monthly financial report, and we can change it down here as well. We don't need a subtitle. We can leave all this stuff the same. Table of contents, just leave it. It'll auto-populate itself. Preliminary pages, we can put blurbs and executive summaries. We're not going to waste our time with that. So we're just going to uncheck include this page so that it doesn't get included. Now reports down here, this is where we can get a little creative. The reports that are in here now, we're going to get rid of. So we're going to trash can them. And then we're going to go add new report. And the first report we're going to add would be a profit and loss by month. And the period is always going to be, you can leave it the way it is. Actually, leave the period the way it is because you can get it at the end. So we'll leave the period as this year. We're going to add another new report, and we're going to put the balance sheet back in. You can't get a balance sheet month by month, so they're just going to have to get a single one. It's going to be fine. Leave them a balance sheet. We're going to add another report, and we can go AR summary and another report, and we're going to go AP summary. We can add more things if we want to. If we want to add a trial balance, or if they have, say, a profit and loss by class. We can also add, as you can see, any of our customized reports. So we can customize, say you've got a client that wants 5 different class reports, you customize them first, and then you can pick them off of the customized list. So really you can do whatever you want here. You can give them percentages of income. I believe there's cash flows. There's all sorts of stuff in here. We're going to keep it simple for now, but if clients want more reports, then they can have them. So for now, we'll just use these 4. Let's see if I can move this. End notes, again, we don't need end notes, so we're just going to uncheck it. And I'm going to save and close this. Now, when I want to pull up this report, I've got this monthly financial report. I can go right here and I can say I want the report for this year. Where is this year to last month? This year to last month. So I can pick that and then view. And this is the report we're going to get. It's to the end of last month. This is the logo that's in the sample company. So if you put your client's logo in there, it's going to come up. And as you can see, the table of contents have the 4 reports, and it's pulled up these 4 reports. So then from here, all you've got to do is either print it to PDF or download it, and you can send it out. So instead of making those 4 different reports, you could just make one. So that's number 1. Now I've also put together a year-end package here. So I'm just going to show you how I did it. It's the same basically as the monthly financials. You click here and then you just copy it. So what I did is I copied the monthly financial. You can't add a new report in here. You've only got a few choices. You've got a sales and expenses and a company overview. They've made it really basic, but you can copy any of them and change them. So you're going to copy it and you're going to change it and call it year-end. And then from there, again, we go in and we change the names. Oops, I did the wrong thing here. I wanted to edit it. Edit. I changed the name to year-end package. I got rid of, well, I didn't, but I can. I'll get rid of this summary page. And then in reports here, I've added income statement, balance sheet, accounts payable aging summary, accounts receivable aging summary, and a trial balance and a general ledger. These are the 6 reports you want in there. So while you're making your monthlies, I would like you to make one of these as well. It's going to make things a lot better at year end. And again, like down here, you can go add new report and we can put any of our customized reports, anything we want in here. So let's just save it. And then when we pull it up, we can pull up the same thing. We can pull up last year and view. And what I did when I set these up is I set them up to compare the year before. Obviously this one doesn't have a year before. But I set it up to compare the year before because in year ends, it's pretty handy to be able to do that. So you can see you've got your aging summary, you've got a trial balance here, we've got the entire general ledger. This would be what our client's going to approve, and then we're going to have to do the Excel documents to actually send it out. But at least this way, it's going to cut down on some of our time by not having to do 1 report, 2 report, 3 reports, and then you've got to change one, and then you got to go back and redo it. And I know it takes a lot of time. So I'm hoping this saves you guys time. Let me know if you have any questions about it. And again, just to go back to that custom report, what you're going to do is you're going to build custom reports first in here. Well, you're going to build them and then you're going to memorize them. When you memorize a report, it goes into custom reports, and from here you can add them to your management reports. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks.